Bundle essentially is developed to try to solve a lot of the complications from a billing standpoint. All the billing is streamlined in one place. The patient knows what they're going to pay ahead of time. It's all bundled into one fee. Everything's included.
Normally, when someone has a joint replacement, the insurance company is going to give a certain amount of money to the hospital, to the doctor, to the physical therapy company, etc. Instead, you're really only being billed by one entity. When you undergo surgery, you really should be focused on your recovery, making sure that you're getting the best possible outcome, and you don't need to be focused on bills from other providers and bills that come in from left field.
Once the patient qualifies, the nice thing with the bundle is that up front you know what it's going to cost and there's not going to be a penny more. Bone and Joint Surgery Clinic takes over the discharge planning and case management, which are typically handled by the hospital.
We send people to physical therapy ahead of time to educate them in what they're going to need to know. It's a lot easier before you've had the surgery. Then afterwards, we make sure that you're getting the appropriate physical therapy for your recovery process. By removing the high cost of the hospital overhead through the bundle, we're able to provide you better care, but at a better cost.
All the Blue Cross patients can be a part of the bundle. State Health Plan Blue Cross have a major discount when you're in the bundle. Any private payer can be involved in the bundle. It could be self-insured corporate plans, any private cost-sharing plans we can use, any casualty high-deductible plans. All of them are possible.
For most patients, the bundle is going to represent a big cost savings for them. With the North Carolina State Employees Plan, they currently with the bundle will owe $600 to $900 depending on what procedure they're having done, whether a partial or a full.
With the bundle, the patient could save thousands of dollars in many cases. And the bundle includes total hip replacements, total knee replacements, and partial knee replacements.
With this process, I think you feel much better, your quality of life improves, your ability to get around and do what you need to and want to is returned to you. That's a big deal. Find out if you qualify by going to RaleighBoneandJoint.com.